What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this special video by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are here with one of the coolest and one of the best cars we have ever driven. The Audi RS6 C7 by KLASEN Motors. And I'm sure you guys remember this car. We drove it, well, almost exactly a year ago, and we were so impressed with this car. It is so cool, so fast, and so extreme. And now it is for sale. The owner has asked us if we could make a video about this car and about the fact that it is now for sale. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk around it so you guys can check it out. I'll show you some upgrades the owner has done to it since we drove it, and then we'll take it for a drive on the Autobahn to show you guys how fast this thing is. So let's begin. We've got a black RS6 with some carbon fiber trim in the front bumpers, like this lower part right there, this insert, very cool license plate as well, RS63. We've got some Vossen forged wheels made from one block of aluminium, and they look absolutely insane. Some massive Audi carbon ceramic brakes behind that, and some really flat tires. This car has a KW HLS system, so it sits super low, but still with that hydraulic lift system, it is drivable, and you can drive this car really fast. We've got some carbon fiber mirror caps as well, carbon fiber rear spoiler, and a carbon fiber diffuser with an Akrapovic exhaust in there as well. But just look at the stance of this car. It is so aggressive and so low. It looks really good. So as I said, a few upgrades have been done since we drove it last. So we've got carbon fiber seats. As you can see, this is really beautiful. A carbon fiber insert for this part, and you might remember there is the water methanol tank. So it used to be visible if you opened the trunk, but they have now put this divider in here, so you can't see it anymore. He's got some extra bottles of distilled water to feed it, because this car has the famous single turbo conversion kit by KLASEN Motors. So that means that underneath here we've got an absolutely massive turbo Garrett GTX 42. So it went from a bi-turbo to a single turbo. Some KLASEN Motors exhaust manifolds also made by him, and well, just look at the size of that turbo. So this 4-liter V8 bi-turbo now delivers not 560 horsepower like the original, but 1012 horsepower and 1107 newton meters of torque, which is crazy. It is truly one of the fastest cars we've ever driven, and well, one of the coolest as well. This is an upgrade as well, because this used to have a hole in it for the turbo, but now they have been able to keep that nice and tidy. So what else? So we have a carbon fiber steering wheel as well, which is really beautiful. Carbon fiber trim for the seats, gorgeous. It has carbon fiber in the doors as well. Bang & Olufsen audio system, carbon fiber on the dash, and the RS6 seats, of course, with Alcantara. Really nice spec. We've got a boost controller right there, so you can actually change the boost from off to low to high to race, which gives you a variety of horsepower ranging from 780 to 1012 horsepower. So without further ado, we'll start it up. As you can hear, it is very loud. We've got the car in individual mode, and I have set that up to be perfect for the Autobahn. So that means that everything is in dynamic mode except for the dampers, which are in comfort. So driving it regularly, this is also interesting because oftentimes when you have a really extremely tuned car, they are not really suitable for everyday driving because they are just too high-strung, too aggressive. And that is where this boost controller comes in. I have set it to off right now, so that means around 780 horsepower. And I can drive this car like I would any other A6, which is really nice. It's nice and comfy. I wouldn't say it's quiet, but that's also because the exhaust valves are open in individual mode. So how does this car feel when you give it some throttle? Well, right now it already feels pretty damn fast. But it also feels very controlled because you have that quattro all-wheel drive system that is very able to put the power down. Especially on a nice day like this, with some dry tarmac. Woo! Yes, this is very impressive. Okay, so now for the Autobahn, we're going to press this button right here, and we're going to switch the boost to race. There it is. So this is full attack mode. I'll put the speedo right there for you guys so you can see how quick it actually accelerates. Okay, so for the Autobahn, I have just hit this button down there for the KW HLS system and have raised the ride height a little bit to be able to cope with the bumps on the Autobahn at higher speeds. So now it's just a matter of waiting for a little gap and show you guys what this thing is capable of. Okay, here we go. Watch that speedometer go. It is absolutely ridiculous. That's 321. That is how insanely fast this car is. It is mental. It just doesn't stop accelerating. It doesn't matter how fast you're driving, it will go really fast from where you're going. It's insane. And that is why this is one of the craziest cars we have ever driven. It is so freaking fast. It's a station wagon. It looks super mean and it goes like hell. And you can now own it. The owner's selling this car because he is getting a new RS6, so you can own this now. It is for sale. It has done just under 50,000 kilometers. It's from 2015 and it has had a big service done recently by Stefan Klaasen at Klaasen Motors, worth around 3,000 euros. It's an absolute beast and it's in great condition. So if you're interested, the price is fixed at 94,000 euros. And you can contact us through the info I'll put in the screen right now. And of course, I hope this goes without saying, but please only contact us if you are serious about buying this car. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you at the next one. Bye guys.